You motherfuckers better do your job and roll up and watch how we roll up and I can't control it, can't hold it, it's so nuts. I take a sip of that yak, I wanna fuck. I take a hit of that chronic, it got me stuck. But really what's amazing is how I keep blazing. Towel under the door, I'm smoking to the days and puff, puff and pass, don't fuck up rotation. Hypnotic for Henny, that nigga that's a chaser. Turn nothing to something, that pippin' that's a savior. Best things I bring, that pippin' get your paper. High off the ground instead of skyscraper. Cool out, thinking we local, come on homie, we major.
We major? Come on homie, we major. We major? Come on homie, we major. We major. Come on homie, we major. We major.
Yeah, so we shot a rod. We were fucking hooning it. I'll post a video now. And then the death of the Civic. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. That ain't good. Gutted. Lower than half tank will damage cylinder 4. It's false. Having a full tank will destroy cylinder 2. Science. So I've got a lot of videos that I've not really shared, but I thought this one should be coming out because this is the EG, but the Civic's at my house and it is gone. So as you'll see from this video, so I took Johnny out, who's coming to do all my arches. It'll be in the next video. He's going to finish all my arches for me, save me doing them. So he's offered to do them, so I can't say no. And so I took him out in my Civic. Everything was wrong from the fucking day one, and my battery was low. I had engine management light on for a lambda sensor and shit like that. I should have really gone and got it remapped when I put my manifold on, but I just adjusted the boost pressure and it seemed alright. But I was thrashing it down the fucking motorway and I seen a massive flame and I thought, that's not too good, because it was huge, and then all of a sudden it just boom, massive flame, and it broke. It spat a rod through side of the engine, so the Civic is fucked. So I'm done with the EP3 now. Everyone's telling me like, oh, just get a new engine, put a new engine in, but to be honest, I've got the EG. This is where my heart is at the minute, so I want to try and get this done on the road. So I'll be selling all my EP3 bits that I don't need. Obviously K-Pro and stuff won't be for sale. Anything that I can use on the EG won't be for sale.
Time to get the bumper off so we can tow it. R.I.P.
R.I.P. to the Civic that used to be. Today was not a good day.
Ah, it's windy, it's windy, it's windy. Just pull that shit off.
So I'm gutted, but the biggest thing I'm gutted about was that just where I broke down. I was on the fucking motorway. We had to push it up off the slip road that was a pain in the ass, and then park it under the bridge at the M65, then pull my bumper off, and then go get it towed all the way back home, which was a bit of a dick. So the EP blowing up, I kind of expected it because of how I treated it. I treated it like a piece of shit, to be honest, like an unwanted child. And it took it for the best part of a solid year of non-stop hooning, like you've seen in all the videos. So yeah, it's just the effort of stripping it now that's going to be a bit of a dick, especially with it being on my drive. So hopefully all the money I get from it I can put into the Civic. I can get an LSD. I can probably do high compression pistons, because I don't want my EG to be turboed. I want it to be about 300 brake horse, so whether I supercharge it or whether I just NA it. But EP, all that work, and then it just spits a rod, so which you can't really expect a car to be running double the horsepower and then something not go wrong, especially the way that I drive it, like an absolute fucking lunatic. I don't know, I'm pissed off, but I'm not. because I hardly drove it anyway, and I was going to actually sell it, but obviously now the big lump that where the money is in the K20 is now fucking gone because it's got a big hole in the engine. So make a bit of wall art, won't it? One of them things. You're not a YouTuber if your fucking engine don't blow up, especially you're not a Honda YouTuber if your engine don't blow up. So hopefully I'll get it stripped down and we'll be able to see the damage and see what's missing out of the engine, or see what's decided that just didn't want to be part of the engine bay anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna put my heart into the EG and get this cracked on, and we're selling all the bits off me EP. I can buy some carbon doors now, and I can buy all the bits and sell all the other bits that I don't need. So I think, yeah, I'll get carbon doors made, and I'll get some carbon wings and a carbon tailgate, and make it a nice EG so there's less to paint, obviously. So anyway, I'm gonna go home because it's been a good long 5 hours trying to get a Civic back home after it breaking down. So I've been stew, and I finally destroyed a Honda. Hopefully nothing else will go wrong, and I'll see you in a bit.